world Philippines, Negros Oriental!
King of the world Philippines, the Negros Oriental Province. Once again, King of the world Philippines, the Negros Oriental Province. Oriental Province. King of the world Philippines, Negros Oriental Province, George King Finney. King of the world Philippines, Negros Oriental Province.
A modern king doesn't rule from a throne. He leads from the heart. He knows leadership isn't about giving orders. But giving value. It's not about the power, but purpose. In a world that demands both wisdom and compassion, a modern king doesn't just lead with his mind. He reigns from his heart. Thank you.
What do you think is the most important quality a modern-day king should possess, and why? What do you think is the most important quality of a modern-day king should possess, and why?
I would say spend more quality time to your family. Because when a king is out there hunting for food to provide his family, sometimes, like for example, my father got married 3 times, and I feel so sorry for my half-sister and half-brother because my dad is always out there working so hard to provide his family and ends up not working out. So I prefer spending more time or quality time to your loved ones. Thank you.
King of the world Philippines, Negros Oriental. King of the world Philippines 2025 grand winner is
Negros Oriental Province!
George King Finney, and presenting the award is Meg Perez, and King of the world Philippines 2024.
Crowned as the ultimate king, he will carry the flag of the Philippines on the international stage, representing the strength, grace, and brilliance of a modern Filipino man.
Worthy of a crown upon excellence and majesty.